What's up, everybody? It is a beautiful sunshiny day here in Southern California, and we are just enjoying this weather so much that we decided to come and hang out under a bridge in order to film this, just because it's bad, let me just tell you. And we didn't want to miss out on this awesome van that we just finished, so I hope that you guys can hear this as traffic goes roaring by and we're just hanging out on the side of the road to find the one dry spot here in San Diego. So what I have behind me is a four-wheel drive van. This isn't a van that we did or converted to four-wheel drive, but was converted by another company. And this is not converted by Quigley, so that is really cool, just to show you that even if you don't have a Quigley van, we can still put a lift on it like we did on this van. Kind of just gave it away right there, what I did. So what we did is we put our lift on the front of this. This is a torsion bar conversion. We kept it torsion bars. We put our drop-down brackets and our knuckles on the front of it. We also added block shocks to the front of it to give it that height. Now in the rear, we kept it simple for right now. We just added blocks and U-bolts to the rear, which is going to be awesome. And then we also top it all off, block shocks in the rear as well. So you can see that this thing is really cool behind me. It's really cool to see other people's build when they did a different roof rack. I've never seen a roof rack like this. And then it also has the ladders. What we are doing on here is we are running that 285/70/17 tire on a set of American Racing wheels. So you can see that this has a ton of clearance in here. In order for that tire, he's added some fender flares to it. And if you look right here, you can also see that we've added our mini fenders onto this in order to give it some more room in here, just for clearance. So super good news is if you're wanting our mini fenders, they are back in stock, and we'll make sure we put a link below so that you can click on there and add the mini fenders to the shopping cart or your build, because it really does help out giving it a lot more room in there. So you can see now this thing has a lot more clearance in order to clear this bigger tire, which is obviously great. We all want more clearance on there. In addition to there, as we kind of back up a little bit, you'll also see that we put our rock sliders on here, which Austin stepped on as he got out of the van and made them all muddy. Jeez, man, what are we gonna do? So, but 155-inch wheelbase van, which is really cool. And what you guys are gonna probably love the most on this van is the build out that's inside it. So, damn it, it's locked. Hold on. So this is one of the most stealth build outs we've seen in one of these vans, and as I open this up, you're gonna love it. I mean, it's got every amenity that you could possibly want when building out your van. I mean, there's all kinds of room in here for extracurricular activities, as well with the essential living things that you may need for wherever you're going. So really cool build out. And you know what's great about this build out? Is it's really cheap. This is a really inexpensive build out if you're looking to do your van. This is a great option right here, so I'd keep that in mind. So enough with that. Let's check out this ladder. I thought this ladder was pretty cool. I don't know who makes it. I'll have to ask the owner, but it's got some little kick to it, and it keeps it away from the tire. Pretty cool. And then let's get a shot of that WeldTec in Brooklyn. So it looks like they're the people that do this roof rack. So what's cool about this roof rack is you could do something like this. Unfortunately, I don't know the cost of it, and then pretty much customize it or add it, you know, things to it. So I think that's about it. This is gonna be a quick one. Just really want to give you guys an idea. So if you have any type of four-wheel drive with the IFS front suspension, just showing you an option that you have in order to lift it if you want to run bigger tires or gain more ground clearance, or just particularly get a better ride adding our Fox shocks to it as well. So a lot of different things going on here. If by all chance I missed something, please leave a comment below. And our last thing, but not the least thing, I hope that you guys are finding these videos informative and that you would please subscribe to our channel. It would helps us grow the channel, helps us just grow, period, because YouTube is like, hey, people are watching these. Comment below, tell me you love Under the Bridge and we'll do more here, who knows. So thanks guys for watching. That's it. I'm gonna go enjoy the sun. I'm heading to the beach. I'm gonna go do something. I'm done here. All right, see you guys later.